Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 3, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 48,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Lava Red, and also with the black gloss roof there. Looks really good for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the sporty theme continues. So you've got the sports seats there, which really hug you well. And these come with the rest stitching on the outside. And then you also have the leather flat bottom steering wheel as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. This car also features Apple Carplay, air conditioning, cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a hatchback, the Corsa has a really good sized boot, nice and deep, with the rear seat there that can be folded and the parcel shelf still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you then also have some extra storage as well as the tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, LED daytime running lights, and the black gloss 17-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.